Good morning, boys. Welcome to the class of physical education. Yesterday in Zoom, I completed chapter number 4. I completed the topic role of the professionals to help the children with special needs. In that chapter, you came to know about the special educators, counselors, speech therapists, occupational therapists, physical education teachers, etc. Now I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, that is yoga. Now the first topic of this chapter, define yoga and what is the importance of yoga. So the concept of yoga is very old and it's a very big concept. Listen it very carefully. In 3 or 4 lines I am trying to complete. The concept of yoga is very old. No one knows the exact date of origin of yoga. The word yoga is derived from the word yuj, Y-U-J, yuj, which means to unite or to join. According to Indian mythology, yoga is the unification of human soul with Supreme Soul. In Sanskrit, Atma with Paramatma. What I told? Yoga is the unification of human soul with Supreme Soul, which in Sanskrit it is told Atma with Paramatma. Now what is yoga? Checking the impulses of mind is yoga. The power of Lord Shiva and Shakti is yoga. So this is in nutshell the concept of yoga. Oneness of man with God may be termed as yoga. So this is the definition, the concept of yoga in nutshell. Now, what is the importance of yoga? Yoga is very much important nowadays, and nowadays it has become the part and parcel of life. It has become a daily event, and the popularity of yoga has steadily been increased. Now yoga is popular in the world. It is worldwide famous. Now what is the importance of yoga? Yoga, number 1, yoga prevents from diseases. You know it very well. Of course I will be giving notes. Yoga prevents from diseases, number 1. Number 2, yoga cures from diseases. Number 3, yoga, regular practicing of yogasana reduces the psychological disorders like tension, anxiety, hypertension, irritation, frustration, depression, etc. Yoga improves the cardiovascular efficiency. Yoga keeps us healthy. Yoga improves strength. Yoga improves flexibility. Yoga provides spiritual ecstasy. Yoga relieves from pain. Yoga cures from postural deformities. And at last, yoga helps us to lead a healthy life in society. It improves the total health, both physical, mental, emotional, social. Everything is improved by yoga. Yoga improves us, develops us spiritually. So these are the importance. This is the importance of yoga. Yoga is very important in our daily life. In the next class we will be discussing it in detail. Now this is up to this question up to this nowadays, right now. So recollect it and ask me whether any problem. You know my phone numbers also. Any question, any sort of questions, you can ask me in WhatsApp or phone. So today after this, thank you very much.